My name is Raymond Rupert. I was a family doctor for 40 years, and then about 25 years ago, I started RCM Health to provide advocacy and healthcare advisory services for clients with complex problems. The reason I started RCM Health is very personal. My daughter, when she was about 18 months old, got very sick with sepsis, which is a very severe infection. And she was in a large children's hospital, dying, and no one knew what was happening. And I had to become her advocate, and I advocated for access to some advanced imaging. And after they imaged her abdomen, they recognized that she had a ruptured appendix, which is very unusual for an 18-month-old child. She was treated, she survived and thrived, and now she's an accomplished Crown Attorney in Ottawa. So I started RCM Health about 25 years ago. It's a trusted and respected private healthcare company, and our focus is on complexity. Any type of healthcare problem with clients of any age located anywhere in Canada. Our approach is to use creative, innovative approaches to solving these problems in order to get the best outcomes possible. We work with individuals, families, and employers, and once we're retained, the entire process of support, advice, and advocacy begins.
Navigating the healthcare system can be really difficult, especially if you're not feeling well or if it's for a loved one. We're here to coordinate your care and, most importantly, advocate on your behalf. RCM provides access to a team of doctors, medical case managers, and nurses who will provide highly attentive, empathetic, top-notch care. We treat every case like it's the most important one.
We recognize that patients with cancer and other serious problems really require advocacy in order to get timely access to quality services. We've been virtual for over 20 years. We're totally digitally enabled with global reach and global capacity. RCM Health has a network of over 3,200 world-class experts. They're available to provide comprehensive second opinions for our clients, and in many instances, these second opinions will change the course of treatment or therapy. We can provide our clients with access to the most advanced lab testing available. Many of these tests are not available in Canada, and the results can be very dramatic in changing the treatment pathway for our clients.
We help navigate the healthcare system to get you answers. We schedule specialist appointments for you and facility appointments as soon as possible. We are in constant communication with you as your case progresses with updates.
We at RCM understand that with complex issues, it often impacts more than one family member. We are here to support parents of children of all ages who struggle with behavioral issues, eating disorders, developmental delays, and addiction. We're here to mobilize school support teams to ensure you never feel alone. At RCM, we take an integrated approach to care. We teach parents to set rules, routines, and boundaries. This is critical in establishing a functional family unit.
My role at RCM is one of lived experience. I work one-on-one with clients going through alcoholism, addiction, or mental health issues, or a multitude of those at the same time. My clients relate to me because it is a lived experience role. I've walked in their shoes to a certain extent. I know where they're at. This allows me to speak to my clients in a genuine and authentic way. I use my recovery journey to lower barriers, stigma attached to mental health and addiction. It allows for a more productive, direct, and more useful conversation going forward.
Connecting with RCM Health is easy. Once you connect with us, we arrange for an intake at zero cost. Once the intake is completed, and if we can help, then we provide you with a detailed proposal, which includes a work plan and a budget. And then once we're retained, the entire process of support and advocacy and advice begins.
We are a friendly voice at the other end of the phone, ready to listen to your medical concerns. and we go the extra mile.
We put our heart into our work, and we follow the principle of treating others the way we want to be treated. Empathy is at the core of all that we do.
We want you to be fully informed throughout the process and involved in all decisions. RCM Health is here for you and committed to achieving the best outcomes possible.